Today I'm going to show you how you can easily block ads on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, simply head over to your Facebook application, and inside Facebook application, head over to your hamburger icon right here. And once you are inside here, click on settings, and inside settings options, you will be able to see ad preference here on the account center. Simply click on it. Once you click on it, scroll down and until you find the ad preference option once again and click on it. And as you can see, you can customize ads from here. Click on see all button option here, and once you see, you have to customize it. So you can simply click on manage info from here, and you can click on the categories used to reach you. That means the ads that are used to reach you. So you can see here the types of the category here. Simply click on it and click on no for every single topic here, like this. For education, for relationship status, or whatever it is, and make sure you click on view and manage, and you make sure you remove all of these categories associated with you as well. You just make sure you remove all this from here like this. And once you do that, so that is basically it, guys. That is exactly how you can completely block the ads, stop ads from Facebook, inside the Facebook. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.